Guess you hit the button and you ruined everything. I guess I did. Don't know where it started, don't know where it stopped. There's tunnels, trains. If you ever seen a Morrow Road and said this is one of the best, a little bit bigger than the one I had when I was young, because it was so tiny. It's just, there goes the prisoners working. Anything has to do with the railroad tracks. Got some prisoners working there. Oh, for real. It's nice to see these train sets. Little cities and little houses. Stops. You can hear that band outside, but I'm not going back out there because I'm going to leave. Let the rain come and let it come. I don't know if anybody's ever been here, but I really like this coming here. There's loggers on the train, semis coming in to drop their loads off. There's some more down here. Where I put my behind. I want to tip over anything. I'm bound to get way too much, which is good enough for me because I enjoy it. You got that right. Let's go there. The air conditioner running would have made me think it already started raining, but it ain't. They just got a train rolling. There's a house up on top. There's a train rolling. Let's see where it comes out at. This city. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe it just made me think that. Oh, there's a train. Yeah, something like the mountains. Yeah. Anybody ever knew that for a train track down there in Florida? No, it's flat. Where I used to stay, but I won't be going to anymore. Someone's got a little fireplace right there. No, a little train depot. That's just the train depot right there. Has anybody ever seen this one? Just wondering. If anything, of all things I can get away with when it comes to stuff like this. Got that right. Another train depot. Same. It's like they have a train up at the top that only goes through the town up top. And what good is that? I'm for real. I just get so hooked on this. Makes me want to do a longer video than what I originally had in mind. But it matter to me as long as I get to enjoy it, right? I hope everyone has enjoyed my video. Honestly, it's hard to stop this kind of stuff. Well, look at these cities over here. Same train goes around wherever they got it stuck. Some of it right here too. Something like a horse trail and a walking trail right here. Yeah, some people gotta sit and rest from going on their walk on the trail. I had no clue I was just gonna start doing something like this today, but I did. And I've already gotten some of that as well.